What if you're given the graph and you're asked to write the system of inequalities based on that graph? All right, so let's try that. Remember, the red area is where both of them intersect each other. So let's see what we've got here. We've got a line, a horizontal line, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y is equal to 5. So that means we're going to have a line that says, get the pen back, Y and 5. Now the question is what goes in the middle here? This is a solid line, so that means we're going to have or equal to. The question is now, is it shaded above or below? Well, this is shaded above. Above means greater than, so we can put our greater than or equal to 5. Now this one is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, x and 4. Once again, it says it's a solid line, so that means it'll be or equal to. And it is shaded to the right. Right is greater than. So that's the system of inequalities that we have represented in this graph. All right, one more and then I'll let you do one. Write a system of inequalities for the graph at the left. Let's do this line first. Okay. The y-intercept is 2. So we're going to put a plus 2 here. And our x. Now what is the slope of this line? Let's see. It starts here. And the next time that it intercepts the crosshairs is right here. So it went up 2 and right 1. Up 2 and right 1 is positive 2. Now, it's a solid line, so that means it's going to be or equal to. Excuse me, hang on. Now, where is it shaded? This line is shaded below, so that means it's going to be less than, okay? Now, the other one. We can put y, and we can put the underline because it says the line is solid, so it's or equal to. Now, what is the y-intercept? The y-intercept for this line is 0. It goes right through the origin. Okay, so we don't have to put anything. All right, now we put our x, and what is the slope of this line? Well, it starts here. And the next place it intercepts is right here. So it goes up 1, 2, 3, and left 1. Up 3 and left 1 means that it's going to be negative 3. Now, is it shaded above or below this line? It's shaded below the line right here. So that means it's going to be less than. Okay? All right, your turn. Try this one. Pause the video, try this one, and then come back to me. All right, let's see how you did. We'll start with this line. And the y-intercept for this line is 1, 2. So we start out with a positive 2. We put our x. We can also put, leave space for what are we going to put in there. And we can also put a horizontal bar because the or equal to applies because it's a solid line. And we put y. Now the question is what is the slope? So we come over here to this one and we go start here and we go up 1 and then over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is where it intercepts again. So that will be up 1 and over 7. Now did we shade above it or below it? Well, let's see. This is the line. Did we shade above the line or below the line? Okay, I hope that you said above the line. Above the line is correct. Now the next one, we look at it and we say, okay, our y-intercept is negative 2. We put our x, we leave some space, and it's a solid line, so we put or equal to, and we put our y. Now the question is what is the slope? So we start here and we go up 1, 2, 3, 4 and left 1. So that gives us a negative 4. Now did we shade above it or below it? okay? Above it or below it. So here's the line. Did we shade above it or below it? We shaded above it, correct. So that means it will be y is greater than or equal to.